It's gonna be a long conversation. Where did he throw it away?
There was a little bit left. I used
I
it.
know.
I disposed of the tray.
You what?
Used it, and then
Oh, you used it. Then okay, so it didn't stay on the tray.
This defendant walks into court already dealing with a serious criminal case. Even with so much on the line, he still chose to get involved with things he was clearly told to avoid while out on bond. You would expect someone facing major charges to be extra careful, but he acted as if the court would never find out. His attorney tries to calm the situation, but the mood in the courtroom shifts the moment the facts come out. It leaves you wondering whether this is a personal struggle or just someone who refuses to respect the legal process. Let me know what you think. Should he be given another chance? Let's get into it.
Judge.
Yeah, Jonathan, I'm on behalf of the people.
Court shall feature Assistant Public Defender, Mr. Walter LaCroix. Mr. LaCroix, please state your name for the record.
Walter LaCroix.
Thank you, Judge. I have spoken to Mr. Edmonds about this case. It's going to do some further look at the matter to see where we stand in terms of an offer. We're asking just for an adjournment for a couple of weeks of the PCC. And then I need to address his it's not a bond violation yet, I don't believe, but it's a bond report where Mr. LaCroix given permission to test in Genesee County. He signed up for a program, DNA testing in Genesee County. That program did not release testing results to the community corrections unless he was
positive. Hold on a second. That's not what I have. Do you have his progress report?
The one that I have, I do have a progress report. I don't
from August 28th.
I don't believe that's the date. Let me check.
Mr. Allen.
Yeah, mine dated August 28th.
In terms of his testing, I have on, so he's here on an operating while intoxicated causing death.
That's correct, Judge.
All right. And on August 20th, after his arraignment, what day was he arraigned?
Arraigned on the 16th.
So then he got tested on the 16th he was ordered. He wanted to test there. He tests on August 20th, and he's positive for cocaine.
Correct, Your Honor. I'm aware of that.
Then on the 22nd, he didn't appear for his testing.
That was when I was setting up to be tested in Genesee County. And I called the lady down here to let her know right away.
Let's go back a moment, because I don't think he's been before me.
I don't believe so, Judge. Just asking for a 2-week adjournment to see where we stand in terms of the potential.
Why is he testing positive for cocaine after getting charged and arraigned on an operating while intoxicated causing death?
Because he used cocaine, Your Honor. Obviously, I don't think he's.
No, it's a fair answer to my question. I'm just saying why.
Yes, Judge.
Why? I mean, why is he using anything?
Well, my understanding is he is not any longer.
What?
My understanding is he is not any longer. But he previously was. He began testing, transferred that testing to Genesee County per the instructions he was given at arraignment. He's been testing there, but they are not reporting the results here unless he is positive. They have not called him test this week. He's called them twice a day to go test. They have not called him, so he went over today to community corrections and tested here. And he is going to change if the court allows.
He tested here today?
Here this morning.
What is it? Do we have results on that?
I don't have it.
I don't have anything yet.
I was informed about it this morning myself.
So, go ahead, Mr. Peter.
Thank you, Judge. So rather than do the Genesee County testing that authorized to do that does not send the reports as community correction would require, he has signed up again today to test here and do all of his testing here, although he does not live here. He has a relative here with him who has agreed to drive him back and forth to do that testing, if he is allowed, Your Honor. I understand.
What was the intoxicant in the primary offense?
Cocaine.
So let me get this right. He's charged, I just want to make sure, so I have it clear in my head.
You do.
He was charged with operating while intoxicated causing death.
Yes, Your Honor.
The intoxicant in that charge is cocaine.
Yes, Your Honor.
He's in arraigned, so now he knows what he's charged with.
Yes.
He's told to go to community corrections. When he gets to community corrections, mind you, 4 days later,
Yes. He tests positive.
he tests positive for cocaine.
I had some at my house, which I disposed of.
In your nose or what?
I had it in a tray and I disposed of it.
You what?
I had it in a tray
And
I
then you
threw
just
it away.
smoked it.
I threw it away.
You threw it away? How's that work? Where did you throw it? It's gonna be a long conversation. Where did you throw it away?
There was a little bit left. I
know.
disposed of the tray.
You what?
I used it and then.
Oh, you
Oh,
used
the tray.
it then. Okay, so
There was only a little
it
bit.
didn't stay on the tray.
And I disposed of the tray.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, well,
And since then, I haven't touched it since.
What's that?
okay. He probably stopped using because he's coming today. Oh, yeah?
I'm printing them now.
You're printing them. So somebody needs to answer for me, why was he using after being arraigned
I mean, obviously,
on this charge? And why was he using?
I don't.
I have my theory, Your Honor.
I don't think there's any answer to
Oh, darn.
satisfy the court as to why.
And by the way, you're still.
This is the moment in the hearing where everything starts to unravel. All of this trouble comes down to the fact that he couldn't follow the rules for even a short period of time. You can see him trying to explain his way out of it, but none of it sounds convincing when you consider how serious his case already is. Even his own lawyer looks uncomfortable, because there's only so much defense you can offer when new problems keep piling up. Judge Simpson is known for being strict about bond conditions, yet the defendant acts like the situation isn't serious. People often forget that bond is based on trust. The court allows freedom as long as the rules are followed, and that trust was broken almost immediately. Do you think he deserves another opportunity? Personally, it's hard to see how.
So I don't see how. I
Oh,
have-
really? Hold on.
I've never
Be-
done
You know what?
that.
The thing I hate more than anything is when somebody lies to me. Counsel, approach briefly. You want to see this? That's my copy, though. Yeah, this is the one he took today. No, not at all. We need all of this on the record.
And the last positive, from 2nd to 7 days later.
Yeah, 7 days later, and a little bit he threw away. That. Go ahead. I'm sorry, I'm messing up your story.
To answer your previous
question,
question, Judge, why?
Oh, he's positive for cocaine.
Judge. And
Just so that we know.
thank you, Judge. And to answer your previous question as to why he's still using after being arraigned,
Sure.
clearly he has a problem, Your Honor. There's no answer I can give you that can justify use of cocaine after arraignment when it's an illegal. He doesn't have any type of special license to allow him to use cocaine, Judge. So clearly he has a problem. He is willing to fix that problem. He is working, and he did voluntarily come here today and take a test. So he's asking you to
Not saying that, right? No.
No, you have to stay.
Go ahead. Anything else?
All I can say, Your Honor. So to the positive test, Your Honor, I have no explanation aside from what he already told you.
Which positive test?
The
First one or this one?
The first positive test. Your Honor.
Oh,
The
okay.
explanation he gave you is that he used it and then threw away the tray. After he was arraigned, after he was ordered not to use, have no explanation, Your Honor. He'll just ask for mercy from the court on that, and he is willing to get any treatment that the court would allow him to take place.
Except that he can't follow the court's order. I don't know how he's gonna do treatment. And the other thing is, he doesn't test when he's supposed to test. So it seems to me I have two options. I can let him go and say, oh, well, best wishes. Or what I can allow him to do is go back out there, use some more cocaine and kill somebody else. I'll let you know. Not doing it.
Understood, Judge.
Defendant's bond is revoked. Defendant's remanded to the Washington County Jail. I'll set his hearing September 12th, 2024, 9 a.m. for probable cause.
9/12.
9/12.
Thank you, Judge.
The entire hearing shows how quickly things can go wrong when someone doesn't take court orders seriously. The judge appears willing to be fair, but patience only goes so far when the rules are repeatedly ignored. Situations like this affect everyone involved. The families, the victims, and even the defendant, who clearly isn't making smart decisions. Many people end up in custody not because of their main charge, but because they fail to follow basic bond requirements. Once trust is broken, the system becomes much less forgiving. Hopefully, he gets himself on track before the trial begins. What do you think? Was the judge right to be firm, or would you have offered one more chance? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.